To work this decrease, we are going to work 2 Tunisian simple stitches and then grab our locking stitch marker and place it through those 2 Tunisian simple stitches. And this decrease will be worked on the return pass. So continue with the rest of the row. And then work the return pass up until that stitch marker. And instead of yarning over and pulling through 2, we are yarning over and pulling through 3 loops. So we're pulling through all the loops that stitch marker is holding, plus that one to the left of that. And that is how you decrease on the return pass. And then you can remove your stitch marker. And there you can see the decrease. Now I will start working the next row to show you how we work into that decrease. So we are treating it as 1 stitch, even though it looks like 2 stitches there, but they are kind of going inwards towards each other. So you work through both of those stitches and treat it as 1 stitch. And then I will complete the return pass for this row. And that is what the decrease will look like.